What do Mods&Muscle TV? We is back with a fucking another one. And I got the gang in the crib with me. But I gotta edit these niggas out, man. Damn, I gotta edit this ugly ass nigga out, man. Smoked, put up and everything. Got some of the gang members with me. Got Q, Link, trying to get it on that.
Real Mods&Muscle shit, no shit.
So we got the jack stand, or I keep saying the fucking jack stand, the engine stand, and we trying to put that together. I'm let them hang while I got some company. I don't want to run them away, you know what I'm saying? With no work. So that's what I'm saying. Like, well, we finna put this together, you know what I'm saying? And we finna pop open that motor. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna get the drill real quick. So, talk to the folks, I'll be right there. Yeah, you got this unveiling, you know what I'm saying? This beautiful ass motor for this 6 gen. This 6 gen.
I just want to point out, he said, look at the beautiful motor, but it's still in the crate. Come on, man.
Hey, man, they know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Hey,
shit.
It's cold as hell out here.
Yeah.
Hell. But yeah, man, I'm Link, man. Mods&Muscle TV. Hi to you all. Hello, world.
Looking at it, know what I'm saying? Shit. This the other Q, know what I'm saying? Shit. I can beat this nigga, know what I'm saying, if I wanted to, but hey, I ain't gonna do that, know what I'm saying? But shit, the Street Tie K, know what I'm saying, Eco Q, know what I'm saying, shit, and he come back. Oh.
Hey, when he see this shit, man, I ain't gonna laugh so fucking hard. When you gonna see it, you ain't gonna laugh hard.
Ain't that a bitch? The motherfucker died.
Damn.
Like I haven't charged these junk. They brand new.
Stand by for these. I know some ads finna come on, so just stand by for this shit.
Action! Oh yeah, that way, that felt way, that felt way, but. What am I screwing? I gotta make sure I don't. That it. Yeah. I was like, hurry, open that motherfucker.
It's nicely packaged. I just want to point that out. Nicely packaged.
Nicely
packaged. Don't want to damage the man's product.
Yeah, nicely packaged. So what we gonna do? Hold on, Q, get that back. The link I'm finna hand one off to you. Just gently place it. Ooh-wee.
Look at that. It's real ice dripping right there.
Real ice dripping, nigga.
Real motherfucking ice, nigga.
Real ice dripping. Brother and sister right here. Ooh-wee. Look at that shit.
Yeah. Zoom in on it. Zoom in on it. Yeah, it's real nice.
See what it say. We see what it say. Let me see that. Let me see that. Mr. Covington, your package is here. All right, y'all. We're gonna have to lift up so we can get this joint in the trailer. So we're gonna get back to y'all in a bit. Hold on. None in my time. You got two more right there. We in love in Memphis, Tennessee. You already know.
South
motherfucker Memphis, nigga. Know what I'm saying? CTO, can't stay all day, motherfucker. Yeah, stop.
That motherfucker heavy,
You a strong motherfucker, lift up the engine, goddamn. Over it. They weren't in the box.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. You
Yeah.
trying to lift the box, my motherfucker heavy. It didn't strap down.
Damn.
Oh shit.
Oh, I showed it. Oh shit.
Street tag king, they know me when pulling up. Put on for my team, flash nigga on the scene. Got the shit up out of nigga in these fucking skinny jeans. Nigga wanna race with me, gotta do it for a fee. Spray the shit up out of nigga if you pull up next to me. Hey, yeah, it's QC, I'm on the beat. Tell them fuck the track, we can bring it to the street. Give a fuck who I race, I get best at T breathe. If she land up with the cash, that's what she ain't seeing me.
Adjust the HP.
HP. Horsepower.
Bro, the pixel, the resolution. The pixels, bro, the 720.
Hey Siri, change my resolution to 720 pixels.
I don't need no more iPhones in the trailer, man.
She couldn't find nothing on it.
Hey Siri, use that X card, bro. Change my HD pixels to 720.
You really do it on the video.
Alright, so we back and getting the jack stand up or whatever. Appreciate Q and Link coming through, giving me the hand or whatever. So I'm finna put this together. I can't do everything, so we're just gonna speed this up.
Bump some super fly shit, I get fly when dressing up. Street tag king, they know me when pulling up. Put on for my team, flash nigga on the scene. Got the shit up out of nigga in these fucking skinny jeans. Nigga wanna race with me, gotta do it for a fee. Spray the shit up out of nigga if you pull up next to me. Hey, yeah, it's QC, I'm on the beat. Tell them fuck the track.
So, Mods&Muscle TV, this video is brought to you by nothing but the best AMS Racing. AMS Racing, baby. And there's their stamp. If you can see it through the plastic. You know what I'm saying? So, we are getting there. Nicely packaged, nicely built. We're not even finna open this right here. If you see a stalk boat, I give you $100. Nah, I'm so confident. If you see a stalk boat, I give you $1,000. But you won't find one over here, my friend, unless it's in the throwaway bucket. You know that $5 bucket from Home Depot. Yeah. So, anyways, so got the engine crate up. Hold on, guys. Let me get a little bit more. Boom. So got the engine crate up. Got my line 2, much better view. Engine crate up. Motor heads. Still waiting on parts. Waiting on my motherfucking crew chief, Black Beast. So we can get busy and get to work. You know what I'm saying? Like, that thing is nice. You know what I'm saying? And we have Catwoman right there. But y'all can't see it because it's black as hell. It's black as hell. Shut up. I'll let it bark. So, anyway, it ain't too much, you know what I'm saying? Really, I'm really about to do today, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm still waiting on parts, like I said before. So just make sure you like, subscribe, keep up with everything we got going on in the city. And I think I'm just finna like chill for the rest of the night or whatever. Like I just want to get this stuff in. We got that gap list. That gap list. That gap list. That gap list. Who name on that gap list? Your name on that gap list. Who name on that gap list? Your name on that gap list. Gap list. Gap list. I just made a song, put a bitch up on my gap list. Yeah, so anyway, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just grinding, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like, this just small content now, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm working on getting the shop or whatever. Like, I probably would have been had it, but I've been so busy with work and the channel. Like, so, anyways, Catwoman return will be soon, and she'll be finally in the trailer. And we can get back to racing, you know what I'm saying? We get back to some good fun content, you know what I'm saying? And that's about it. The trailer is finna be my home for like the next month or so. So y'all can get used to it. So I need to hurry and get them things back on the front of the car because I gotta get some new wrecks, you know what I'm saying? Cause I know a lot of folks are like, why he bringing the trailer down to the gate and he ain't even got the car ready? So to answer all those hating remarks, I never hauled anything before, like at all. Like, so when I bought the truck and I bought the trailer, all that shit was new to me. I wanted to get my practice in without the extra weight of the car being in the trailer. So I wanted to get everything in the trailer situated, so like I know what tip over, what fall over when I'm riding, what I need to adjust, what I need to tighten up, what I need to, you know what I'm saying, like give a little bit more support before I put the car in here, you know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't trying to put the car in here and then these fall down and hit it. It's gonna be ugly, like horribly ugly. So if I don't find some better hooks for these, they are going on the ground. Most likely, 9 times out of 10, to be honest, I'm just gonna put them on the ground because like I can't risk this hitting my car at all. Like that shit'll be ugly, terrible, horrible. So I'm just gonna probably put one on each side or something or whatever, like or I may just use the back of the bed. Hey, like it's extra space I got to use or whatever. So we are basically, I'm finna wrap up this video or whatever. The motor is finally here. We got the new one. We got the old one out there in the car. We're gonna take her out. We're gonna pull that sexy cam out that I put in there. Black Beast. Gonna pull that thing out. Then we're gonna put it in that sweet baby. Then we're gonna put a turbo on it. Then we're gonna put a little nitrous on it. Then we're gonna run through the whole motherfucking city. Make sure you like, subscribe, keep up with all the content. And I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I'm out. Street Side King, motherfucker. Catwoman coming soon. We got that old beat up thing in there. You know what I'm saying? Got that old beat up thing in there.